RGI Next UX Factor took place last Friday, October 21st in Firenze Fiera, Fortezza Da Basso, and it involved over 200 people, including insurers, partners and RGI People. Elena Pistone, Corporate Marketing and Strategic Partnership Director, introduced the event, and RGI CEO Vito Rocca, who opened the workshop with a speech on usability as one of the main drivers for the digital disruption in insurance. Vito Rocca showed that the digital disruption is more than just a change of technology. It can change also the traditional business concepts that are currently shifting from a product-oriented to a service-oriented business. RGI vision is to provide insurers with an enabling technology, Pass Insurance, that can assist them in the evolution of their business models. The speech was followed by Nicholas Michelot, Senior Analyst at Celent Oliver Wyman Group, who presented the results of the research Private Consumer Data and Smart Technology Research in Insurance that RGI commissioned to Celent for the second year in order to assess the digital readiness of European insurers with a specific focus on Italy. After that, the tech show Insurance as a Service, Designing a New Industry took place. Agnello Mautone, Platform Director, with Roberto Mulas, Digital Product Manager, Valerio Stork, Data Scientist, and Ugo Diorio, Pre-Sales and Business Innovation Director, talked about the role of the usability in the next generation policy administration systems. The new release of Pass Insurance is indeed designed according to social networks usability, and it is integrated with technologies such as black box and artificial intelligence, directly reflecting the digital transformation that is taking place in the insurance industry. At the end of the event, the audience was asked to vote for the winner of the hackathon, the team that will go to Las Vegas and attend the Big Data Innovation Summit there. The three finalist teams had gained 10 minutes to present their idea. A virtual butler to collect and insure objects directly from an app. Alfred was the most voted application, so Marzia Canetta, Valerio Stork, Martina Veller and Andrea Vocale from Fabac won their trip to Las Vegas. The event ended with the show DNA in Humanity performed by the acrobatic group Stardust.